Why is my car accident settlement taking so long? A delayed car accident settlement can feel like a second injury. While you deal with pain, medical visits, and lost wages, the financial pressure builds. The longer it takes, the harder it becomes to stay focused on healing. If your crash happened in Queens, timing is even more critical. Financial relief can bring much-needed peace of mind and stability. One of the key reasons delays happen is the insurance company. Even with clear documentation, adjusters might ask for the same records repeatedly. If there's disagreement about fault or the severity of injuries, it can slow things further. While you wait, bills still arrive, and the uncertainty adds to the stress. Legal guidance can often move things forward. Under New York law, delays are sometimes built into the process. The insurance system operates on no-fault rules, which means your own insurer handles medical bills regardless of who caused the crash. However, serious injury claims must meet specific legal thresholds to go beyond basic PIP coverage. This includes things like significant disfigurement or bone fractures. Filing late or missing required documents can jeopardize your claim entirely. A law firm that understands these rules can help ensure deadlines and requirements are met. If you're wondering how long it actually takes to settle after an accident, the answer depends on several things. Once you send a demand letter, the insurance company starts its review. That might take weeks or even months, depending on how clear the facts are. If liability is contested, or if your injuries are extensive, negotiations might drag on. Insurers may delay responses or offer low amounts hoping you'll accept out of frustration. If that happens, litigation might be necessary, which adds more time, but sometimes that's the only way to get a fair outcome. The process of settlement in New York starts with reporting the crash to your insurer. After that, an adjuster will evaluate the police report, medical files, and your policy limits. Then comes negotiation. If those talks break down, a lawsuit may follow. Each step must be completed carefully, especially when serious injuries are involved. Other common causes of delay include multiple parties being involved, disputes about who was at fault, and serious injuries that require a full medical recovery before compensation can be finalized. New York's pure comparative negligence rule lets fault be split among drivers, which can also complicate things. If several insurers are involved, like in commercial vehicle accidents, they might argue about liability before anything is resolved. Some delays come from within. If paperwork is incomplete, or you miss doctor visits, that can hurt your case. Insurance companies may doubt your injuries are real if there are gaps in treatment. Staying off social media, responding to all document requests, and keeping in close contact with your lawyer can make a real difference. Being patient is important, but not at the cost of fairness. Rushing to accept a low settlement could leave you without enough to cover long-term care or lost wages. But if delays are being caused by the insurance company's stalling tactics, an attorney can step in and push for timely resolution. Working with a Queens attorney who understands personal injury law can help reduce delays. A skilled lawyer can track deadlines, make calls to the right people, and file required paperwork. That keeps your claim moving, even when the insurance company hopes it will stall. They can also advocate for fair compensation and push back against unfair negotiation tactics. Once the settlement is reached, there's still one more step: receiving the payout. That won't happen until all documents are signed and any liens are resolved. New York law requires insurers to issue payment within 21 days after paperwork is complete. Delays beyond that can sometimes be challenged by your law firm. If you're stuck waiting and wondering why your settlement is taking so long, L Sanchez Law Office, PC, can help. With deep experience handling car accident claims in Queens, this law firm works to resolve delays and secure the compensation you deserve. Call 646-701-7990 or visit us at 3763 83rd Street, #1 meter, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States.